Could AI be running your town one day? In one mid-sized town in Kentucky, it's already happening. While most of the world focuses on AI in global politics, this town is using it to shape its own future by asking residents what they really want. From regulating deepfakes to considering an AI mayor, local governments are experimenting with tech in ways that might be more impactful than whatever the federal government does. Let's dive in. AI is changing how local governments work by making their operations more efficient, improving decision-making, and helping them better connect with their communities. AI tools can handle simple, repetitive jobs like entering data or processing applications. This reduces mistakes and saves time. AI can also study data to predict future trends and help local governments use their resources more wisely. For example, it can look at traffic patterns to plan road repairs and reduce traffic jams. These tools help governments deliver faster and more reliable services to the people they serve. In Bowling Green, Kentucky, officials tried a new AI project to better understand what their 75,000 residents want and need. They used an online polling tool powered by machine learning to collect citizens' opinions. The project aimed to shape a 25-year plan for areas like housing, jobs, and healthcare. Nearly 7,500 people shared their ideas, and the city government used AI to spot important patterns in the data to guide city planning. Bowling Green's What Could Be GB initiative was a major project launched in early 2025 to help shape the city's future by involving the community. Most voters understandably care about improving things now, but this effort was about long-term planning. The city worked with Google and a local consulting group called Innovation Engine to carry out the project. The ease of using an online platform led to almost 8,000 submissions and more than 1 million pieces of feedback. The project focused on areas such as housing, education, economic growth, and healthcare to reflect what the community really needed. A key part of the initiative's success was the use of the SenseMaker AI tool, created by Google. This technology helped sort and analyze the large amount of data quickly. It found common ideas and showed where people agreed or disagreed, helping leaders make better decisions faster. Bowling Green's experiment is one of the latest examples of local or state governments using AI for citizen engagement purposes. In possibly the first instance of a government visibly using modern AI, in early 2023, Massachusetts State Senator Barry R. Feingold gained attention for using ChatGPT to help write a new law. The proposed law aimed to set rules for the responsible use of AI tools like ChatGPT. Feingold's method showed how AI can help lawmakers write complicated legal documents more quickly and cover important issues more comprehensively. The bill included rules about data security, user content, and preventing discrimination, which reflects the growing concern about the ethical use of AI. Last year, Arizona State Representative Alex Culloden used ChatGPT to help write a bill to combat deepfakes that was then signed into law. He even said that the portion of the bill he used ChatGPT for was the least controversial section during discussions with his colleagues to amend the bill. So, like Massachusetts State Senator Barry Feingold, state lawmakers are increasingly using AI to write laws about regulating AI. An interesting irony few of us probably thought about when ChatGPT was released in November 2022. Using AI in writing laws brings up serious questions, such as whether the information created by AI is accurate and free from bias, as mistakes could lead to poorly written laws. Another issue is who takes responsibility for what the AI creates, since humans may not fully control what AI produces. While AI can save time and offer useful ideas, clear rules and more modern laws are needed to protect public interest. In another first-of-its-kind example, Cheyenne, the capital of Wyoming, had a very unusual mayoral campaign not too long ago. A man named Victor Miller introduced an AI candidate called Virtual Integrated Citizen 1, or VIC for short. VIC was powered by a special version of ChatGPT, and Miller said he would only act as VIC's human assistant, carrying out its decisions. The goal of this campaign was to remove corruption and improve efficiency by letting AI handle decisions. Miller promised to use Vic to listen to citizens and make fair choices based on facts. The public had mixed feelings about Vic's campaign. Some people liked the idea of using AI to make the government more transparent and efficient. However, many others were unsure about letting a machine make decisions, worrying about the lack of human understanding and the ethics behind it. In the primary election, Vic only got 3% of the votes, but this won't be the last time a candidate promises to use AI in creative ways during their campaign, perhaps promising to continue using AI if they're elected. Beyond citizen engagement, city governments have been using AI in a variety of ways, even before ChatGPT was released. For public safety, AI helps predict crimes, recognize faces, and improve emergency responses. Predictive policing uses data to find high-risk areas so police can respond better. Facial recognition powered by AI helps identify suspects and locate missing people faster. During natural disasters, AI analyzes satellite images and social media to give real-time updates and guide rescue teams. In healthcare, AI supports better diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. It reads medical images to detect diseases like cancer with high accuracy. AI also creates personalized treatment plans by looking at a patient's genes, habits, and medical records. Robotic surgery using AI improves precision and shortens healing time. Chatbots powered by AI also support mental health by analyzing emotions and giving advice. AI is also changing how cities' transportation systems work by making them more efficient, safer, and better for the environment. AI traffic systems use real-time data from cameras, sensors, and GPS devices to improve traffic flow and reduce traffic jams. Cities such as Singapore and Barcelona use AI to adjust traffic signals and redirect vehicles, making roads run more smoothly. AI is also changing city planning. Tools like Plan Finder help designers quickly create smart city layouts. TestFit makes it easy to plan building sites by considering costs and local rules. Luma turns basic models into realistic 3D animations. As AI becomes more ubiquitous in the relationship between government and its citizens, it's not yet clear how that relationship will evolve. AI is supposed to solve everyday problems. But if people view their governments as less human and more faceless, what happens to trust? Will it even matter if governments are delivering public services effectively, pleasing residents? Perhaps not. Either way, infusing AI into the small, daily interactions people have with their government officials signals an entirely new way forward in the civic compact we make with our government to ensure our safety and prosperity. As AI continues to shape the future of governance, can we trust it to make decisions for us? Bowling Green's experiment may be just the beginning. What do you think? Would you want AI making choices in your town? If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more.